Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add custom songs to Geometry Dash level. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the level editor. In my case, I'm going to be editing this level right here. Click on view and then click on the edit button. Simply inside the level editor, you want to navigate through the gear icon, which will be most likely on the top right corner of your screen. Once inside this page, you then have the select song option on the middle of the page. Click on custom and then click select custom song. From here, if you want to add your own custom song, just click on music library. This will then open up the song library right here. So basically you can then choose any song you want to from a lot of music right here. And heading back to the custom song selection, you can also create a new one by clicking on the create lines, and basically from here you will be able to record your own music the way you want to. So there's a lot of choices. Speaking of the custom song selection, you can just go ahead and navigate through one of the selections that we have, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.